everyone, so this is my first toy video. I picked up Shopkins at Target today. Unfortunately my daughter wanted to open them. I know these videos are normally videos of revealing everything and opening it, but I put everything back in their boxes to show you how everything came. First I will start out with the pack that I got here. It's the Shopkins Season 2. It comes with 5 Shopkins bags with 4 Shopkins that you can see, and it also came with a surprise Shopkin. Now, it also came with a list here, and this list is every Shopkin that you can get in the Season 2. And at the very top here, it shows you which ones are common, rare, ultra rare, and then special edition ones. So I put everything back in the box the way it was, and we will check them out. We have our 4 Shopkins up here. First, we are going to start out with this little guy. His name is Dippy Avocado. Then we have Pecan Pie. Got some whipped cream on the top there. Then we got Wedgie Wendy. She's a shoe. And then the 4th one that we have here is gonna be Banana Splitty. Got a little banana up there. Okay, so our last Shopkin here, we have Olivia Oil. And she is an ultra rare one that came in our pack. I also picked up the Small Mart pack, and it came with 2 Shopkins in there as well, but they are from the Season 1 pack, so I actually had to look them up because they aren't on my list. But this is everything that it comes with. It comes with the shop, the little conveyor belt that actually moves when you play with it. Came with 2 shopping bags, the shopping cart, and the 2 Shopkins. Like I said, these are from Season 1, so I had to look them up on the site. And the first one we have is Margina. I guess that's how you pronounce it. She is the margarine tub. She has a little spoon at the top. And it's cute because they actually have little holes in the bottom here, and in the shopping cart it also has holes, so you can just stick them into the shopping cart. And the second one is La Lotion. She's cute with her little eyes. There we go. She looks so happy, and she has a little drip of lotion coming out. Whoop. Ooh, she fell in the bag. There's a lot of things that you can do. You can shop around with your Shopkins with all of your bags. And there's a little elevator here, if you can see it, in the back. Oh no! And you can put your Shopkins in there. And then place one of the bags down here. Let's see if I can get it. And then when you lift up your Shopkin, it slides down the slide. Go! Go! Oh, she didn't get in the bag. Boop. Put them on your little conveyor belt. Put a bag at the end. Let's see if I can get her. Woo! I did it! These are very adorable, and my daughter watches YouTube videos on them all the time. So I figured while we were there we could pick some up, and I'm so glad that we did. I'm probably going to start collecting them myself, not to play with myself, but for my daughter. There are so many different kinds. There's 2 seasons now, and plenty to collect. Like I said, this is the Shopkins Small Mart set. Here's the back of the box. And this was about $20 at Target. And then the small box that I showed you in the beginning with the 4 Shopkins and the surprise Shopkin with all the bags, that was $4.99, and I got that at Target as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first toy review, and I hope to do some more soon. And if you haven't already, go out there and buy yourself some little Shopkins. They're pretty adorable.